Hey, what's up, everybody? Josh Catagano, the Fund Funder here. Just doing a quick little video. Just want to go over some of the things that that we require as far as documents that are necessary for you to apply for a mortgage, or even if you wanted to refi your house. These are some of the things that we need. And I'm just going to go down the list so that you guys have it, and you can always refer to this anytime you're thinking about it. First thing that we need is your tax returns. So most of the times we need at least 2 years tax returns. Right now it could be 2019 and 2018, or some people still haven't filed, so it could easily be 2017 and 2018. The other thing that at the end of the year that we need to look at are your W-2s. So if you have 1 job, 2 jobs, 3 jobs, we need all those W-2s so that we can calculate your income. And, these basically let us know what numbers we should use to calculate what, the price range that you should be shopping in, or, the mortgage payment that you would feel the most comfortable with. So in addition to those W-2s, we also need your 2 most recent pay stubs. They kind of want to see that you still have a job and you're still out there working, in particular with the same company. Excuse me. Most of the time we need, you would need to have at least a 2-year work history. That's why they're pulling those years. They just want to see that, that you've maintained a job and you kind of have like a stable income. All that kind of helps reduce the amount of risk that they see when they're looking at you and like your numbers. It's all kind of like a big scorecard that directly relates to how risky you are as a borrower. What else we need? Your 2 most recent bank statements. They want 2 months of bank statements so that they can just look through, kind of see that you have the money there for closing, that you're not overdrawn, that there aren't strange like cash deposits into your account or like anything like that, basically. So the other couple of things that we would need are, a copy of your driver's license, a copy of the contract that maybe you're putting down, that maybe you've written for the property if you're already out shopping around with realtors. Just looking at my list here, I don't want to leave anything out. But I think that just about covers it. Once you get a property under contract and you guys are moving forward, then what we would do is we would take a credit card. Typically, the appraisal is like the only thing that you have to come out of pocket for. It's usually about $500, and any other charges or fees would be considered part of like your closing costs, which are always negotiable. So you could have your agent potentially negotiate a lot of those closing costs for you. The only thing that you're really on the hook for is the down payment. The down payment, if you go conventional, is going to be 3%. If you go FHA, it's going to be 3.5%. Now that could be gifted to you if you have somebody out there that is willing to help you out and they can gift you that money. But otherwise, you're responsible for it. So that's kind of like the one thing that you're really on the hook for, is that down payment. Everything else is potentially negotiable if you have a strong realtor that's working for you. You would go ahead and eventually select an attorney here, at least here in South Carolina. We have closings at attorneys' offices. So then we would move forward and we would do the title search. Actually, the attorneys would really do the title search. and we would get you lined up with some homeowners insurance. If you didn't know anybody that you could ask, that's something that I could easily recommend a couple people for you. Usually your realtor would have a couple people that they would suggest for homeowners insurance. Then once the appraisal comes through, assuming that all the numbers look good, then we really kind of move forward with the process. Once we get all that paperwork in, that's kind of like, the pain in the ass that nobody ever wants to really deal with. Because it is difficult to, like, if you don't, I don't know, not everybody's as organized as you might think. So kind of fishing around for some of those documents can be a pain in the butt. But that's it. That's like all the work. We kind of make the rest of the process effortless for you. So if you have any questions, or if you'd like to hear more about what it would take to purchase or refinance, give me a call. It's the Fund Funder, Josh Catagano out of Charleston, South Carolina, 843-323-1150. I hope to hear from you soon. Please like and subscribe if you want to leave a comment. Anything like that would be great. You could also find me on social media like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and everything else out there. So I look forward to hearing from you. I hope you're having a great day. Stay safe. Wash your hands. What do we have to do? We have to self isolate. Let's just do whatever we have to do to get through these tough times. I'll still be working every day, so feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks.